In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make this classic chicken stew. Very easy and it tastes so good. And I know for sure you're going to love it. So without wasting my time, let's jump right in. Hello and welcome back. So we'll start off by adding my oil into a heated pan, okay? And allow it to heat up. To that, we'll add in some sliced onion, okay? I didn't want to bore you with the cutting of the onions, okay? So I did it off camera. So I'm gonna fry it until it is nice and translucent, okay? To that, we'll add in some blended spice, which is garlic, dry rosemary, white pepper, cumin, habanero pepper, onion, and ginger. So this was the same blended spice I used to season the chicken in my last video, which is the fried chicken, okay? We'll leave the link in the description box for you to check it out, okay? I'm going to fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead to blend some fresh tomatoes. This is about 6 to 7 tomatoes. So that is the onion I used to fry the chicken, okay, and some pepper. We'll add everything into the blender, then blend it until it is roughly smooth. Then set it aside, okay? So at this point, our onions and blended spice are well fried. We'll go ahead to add in my tomato paste, then give it a nice stir and allow it to fry for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it loses its sourness. So guys, if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. After 4 minutes of frying, I'm just gonna go ahead to add in some bay leaves. I should have added this earlier, but I almost forgot, so I'll add it into it, then continue to fry. Alright guys, so if you've watched up to this point and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly like the video and subscribe to join this amazing family. Next is to add in the blended tomatoes, okay? Then give it a stir. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 20 to 20 minutes, okay? On medium heat. In the meantime, I'd like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support. God richly bless you. Next is to add in my chicken stock, okay? We'll go ahead to give it a gentle stir. To that, I have here some seasoning of choice. You can use any season you prefer. And also, I've listed all the measurements and the ingredients in the description box. So please do check it out, okay? So we'll go ahead to add all the seasons to the stew. Then give it a nice stir and continue cooking the stew. At this point, we'll go ahead to add my fried chicken, okay? Guys, look at this chicken. Hey! I'm in Chengbe. Alright. Now I'm going to give it a gentle stir and allow it to cook for another 7 minutes, okay? On low heat. But before that, we'll go ahead to skim off the excess oil on top, okay? Because it's a little bit too much. So this stew is so versatile, okay? You can enjoy it with your yam, rice, kenke, you name it, okay? It's so delicious. After 7 minutes, our stew is looking perfect. To that, we'll add in some onions and green bell peppers. We'll go ahead to give it a gentle stir and leave it to cook for additional 3 minutes. And that's about it, guys. Our chicken stew is ready. All we have to do is serve and enjoy. So guys, head to your kitchen and make this easy and delicious chicken stew for your family, and trust me, they will love it. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another amazing recipe, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.